Thanks for stopping by the Caribou Data Science channel today. This is your channel for all things for data analytics, okay? But before we get started, I do have one favor to ask you today. Actually, you click on that like button for me at the bottom of the screen. Thanks so much, folks. Now let's get on with the show. Okay, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. We're going to use ChatGPT for a new task, and I'm going to say I'm actually pretty impressed with previous results with these same questions. That is, we're going to ask it to compare two different laptops and tell us which one is better for data science. Okay, and the two laptops come from an acquaintance on Facebook Messenger. The young lady is looking for a new laptop, and she's narrowed it down to these two. So let's come back over here now. So she has one Lenovo and one Dell. First thing we noticed, the Lenovo only has 24 gigabytes of RAM, where the Dell has 32. Okay. Dell has its own graphics card. That's okay. Multiple USB ports, Thunderbolt, HDMI, backlit keyboard, which is kind of nice, and Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth. Okay. Other features: fingerprint reader, Dolby around. Let's see. For data science, processor speed. Both have powerful i7 processor, but Dell has a slightly higher maximum speed. Memory: Dell offers 32 gigabytes, which is crucial to handling large data sets and multitasking. Graphics card: Lenovo has a dedicated NVIDIA graphics card. Is superior, beneficial for data visualizations. Storage: same storage. Additional features: consider port types, connectivity options, etc. Now, in the context of data science, the Dell seems to have a slight edge due to the higher RAM, which is significant for processing large data sets and complex computations. However, if your data science work involves CPU-intensive tasks, the dedicated Lenovo may be more advantageous. Would you? Okay, sure. Let's see. Would you like to delve deeper into various aspects of these laptops, such as their performance in certain data science? You know what? Let's see. Tasks like handling large data sets, performing statistical analysis, and running complex algorithms are memory and processor intensive. Dell's advantage with 32 gigabytes of RAM, a slightly faster processor. The Dell laptop is slightly more efficient. But while the Lenovo has 24 gigabytes of RAM, which is still quite substantial, it might be slightly slower in comparison. These tasks can run in both GPU and CPU intensive. Lenovo's advantage to dedicated NVIDIA GeForce could offer better performance for machine learning tasks, especially those that leverage acceleration. Dell's consideration with the Intel is capable integrated data visualizations. Avana again dedicated GPUs is a hot topic, and really you hear a lot of talk about GPUs for this type of for complex data science work and stuff like that. But I don't know. Is there that big a difference between the two CPUs? That big a difference between 24 and 32 gigabytes of RAM? I don't know. It's a good question. I'm a little biased. So I would probably lean towards the Dell because it does have a faster processor and it does have more RAM. It'll be interesting to set these two side by side and have them perform the exact same task and see which one performs quicker, okay? But anyway, there you have it. What is your choice? Leave your choice in the comments below. Vote for Dell or vote for Lenovo in the description. Of course, as always, click that like button for me today, alright? And as always, comments, suggestions for future content is always welcome.